sympathetic?
Sure.
I'm spinning the bolts. Haven't even put a wrench to them. Where's my package, FedEx guy? I guess you're wondering what I'm doing, huh?
Tell the people what they're in for.
Oh, they're in for a treat on this one. It's an 89 YJ 4.2 6-cylinder. Changing the valve cover gasket. Turns out all my bolts were loose. So I thought my gasket was bad, but since I already bought the gasket, I'm just going to change it out. I already went through and took out all the bolts. These are all, I believe they're 7/16 heads. Yeah, 7/16. There's maybe a dozen. I don't know exactly. I'll give you the count.
Where are we going?
I was going to say Lowe's, but it's not Lowe's. We're going to either... What the fuck is it called? Advanced Auto or AutoZone? Yeah, wow, I'm stumbling here, man.
It's like a spaceship in here. Oops. Do you want to rip some sweet donuts for Ahmed?
Ahmed will kill me. I really don't understand why they didn't finish cutting down the tree.
Do it for Ahmed.
Ahmed. will not see me do donuts. I probably should stop at this light though.
Well, I can get out and you won't see you through the windows.
Some random guy who took the car and started
Yeah.
whipping donuts. It wasn't me, I swear. Oh.
But it totally was.
That wasn't me. I'm not doing it.
I'll do it.
I won't. You will not be driving this car.
I know.
See, I would like
hope.
that GMC Canyon 5 or an 8.
You're gonna use it for towing too?
Well, yeah, it's great all around at the 5-cylinder. The 5-cylinder Isuzu motors are those motors that are in the vehicle.
There's advance.
That's weird. Driving past it. I didn't want to go in that entrance. It was really kind of close. I saw that sign, like this really late sign placement. Yeah,
Look at those rims. Those Steelies painted turquoise.
You do carry, obviously. Let me go down this one. I don't know why.
Just got the feeling.
It's not this one. Text red locker silver. Here we go. Red lock red.
Thread locker blue.
And red locker blue.
How much do you need?
Well, hold on. That's not. I want the gel, not the. This is start faster. Vibration looks through. I need the red for the bolts that I put in yesterday. I'm doing.
What, for the motor mounts? Got what you needed?
No, we're good. We got everything. Except I got to stop at Stop and Shop to get the owner of the car a bag of chips.
That's your fee?
My fee for borrowing.
Convenience fee?
Convenience fee is a bag of salt and vinegar chips he asked for, and I was like, yeah, okay.
Fair enough.
He said he only wants a small bag, but I don't do small. Go big or go home. Stop and Shop. ShopRite's right over here, right? Karina, I'm listening. What's up? What'd you say?
Nothing.
Wow, Sam, your conversation that you had with me last night really just changed real quickly.
What?
Promote creativity. Last night, I'm gonna promote creativity with.
Foster an environment for creativity.
Oh, and then walk out and say, "Yay!" Is that creative? So, let's go walk over to the Jeep, shall we? Kind of prematurely ran away and didn't tell you guys
That's fine.
All the way out. That's silly. But the gasket's in. Reconnected my fuel pressure regulator. Reran the lines for the coolant out of the radiator and out of the heater core to the back. I did not put back on the one bracket that was here that held this up because I kind of feel like it was in the way. I'll address that in a later date. Yeah, but everything's back together. Started it up. It runs good. No complaints. It actually idles better. I wonder if that's because of the I'll just keep an eye on it, and I'll wind up adding or torquing it down every 6 months. Every oil change, I'll do it. That'll be a new practice.
And I learned you can buy out your neighbor's car for a bag of chips.
One bag of chips buys your neighbor car. Oh, speaking of bag of chips, I gotta grab that off him.
And we're gonna chop some wood real quick.
Time to lumberjack it up. Kid cod, kettle cooked. Healthiest ones. Not really, chips and chips. I'm gonna drop that one right there.
I got it.